What's up everybody, welcome back to Toge Lab. Today we are going to be changing the rear diff fluid on a 2013 STI. We're going to disconnect the ground wire and the temp switch wire. This is just to get it out of the way so that we can reach the fill plug. We always want to crack loose the fill plug first just to make sure that it is removable. You are going to need a 22mm deep socket to remove the fill plug, as this is the only way to remove it without damaging the sensor. Once the fill plug is removed, we can go ahead and remove the drain plug. This is going to be a 17mm socket. As you can see here, it was on there pretty tight, so I needed to use a breaker bar. Remember, after removing both the fill and drain plug, there are crush washers there, so make sure you replace those as well. Once the rear diff is drained, we can go ahead and put back on the drain plug with a crush washer and tighten that down and start with the fill process. We are going to be using genuine OEM Subaru gear oil, that's 75W90, and we're going to use this pump to fill it in. It just makes the job a lot easier. Now that it's full, we can go ahead and put back on the fill plug with a new crush washer. And this concludes our video on how to change the rear diff fluid on a 08 to 14 STI. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.